We'll guide you through how to add music in CapCut PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in CapCut PC, and so you want to go and add in music. Music can be a great addition to your project. Perhaps you want to go and add it over a cinematic. For example, here I've got a video of the coastline, or perhaps you want to go and add it as background music to someone speaking to go and make it a little less boring and a bit more engaging. If someone's just speaking, a bit of music can go and make it much more nicer to go and listen to. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go and first of all go and get some music, then we'll go and add it in, and I'll show you some different edits you can make with it. So without any further ado, let's go and dive straight into this. So what we can do is go and get some music. There are different websites we can go and use, but open a web browser of your choice. One of my go-to sites is called Pixabay, so you can go and type it in and come to pixabay.com. Here you can select music at the top, and what you can then do is search for a certain type you want. So for example, I could go and have hip hop, like so, and then we can go and see these different hip hop songs. And you can go and see the length over to the right here as well. To go and hear how it sounds, you can press the play pause button to the left. If you like it, you can then press the download button over to the right. Now these are no copyright, so we can go and use them for our videos online as well. There are different sites out there as well. For example, you've got a site called No Copyright Sounds. This is very popular with creators. So you can come here and you can browse through it and find different tracks, go and click on one. You can play to how it sounds and you can download it. Make sure you understand the attribution. Also, if you're doing this for YouTube, what you can do is come to YouTube, press your profile icon in the top right and press YouTube Studio. You can then come over to the left and you can come down and find audio library, and you can browse different music here as well. And this is for YouTube, of course. After you've gone and downloaded it, what you need to do in CapCut is come to the top left into media. Then you can press import in the top left of media, and you can come into your downloads and you can go and find the song you want to do it with. So we can then go and select it up here and press open, and it'll then go and appear. We can click, hold, and go and drag it into the timeline like so. Here it is. Now what you can do is you can go and start editing it. So for example, you can adjust the start and end point by clicking, holding, and dragging when your cursor goes and changes. If you want to go and make a split, make sure you've got it selected. Choose we want to make the split. I want it at the end of the video. And you can press Ctrl B or press the split button. You can then select the part you no longer want, and you can press backspace or delete key to go and delete it. What you can do is go and adjust the volume by hovering your cursor sort of on the track. As you can see, we've got this line which sort of lights up, and you can then click, hold, and drag and go and decrease it like so, as you can see. And then what you can do here is you can also go and make it fade in. If you go and hover over it, you're going to see these sort of lines which symbolize the music, and there's a dot at the end and start. You can click, hold, and drag that, and that will go and make a fade in, which can be nice.